Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Almond butter. Together, almond butter and maple syrup work together to create a sticky mixture that acts as a substitute for marshmallows. This way, you can make Rice Krispie Treats without marshmallows. The 26th of October 2020.
Take our lead.
As a substitute for 1 cup marshmallow creme, heat 16 large or 160 miniature marshmallows plus 2 teaspoons of corn syrup in the top of a double boiler and stir until the mixture is smooth. Or, make your own using egg white, corn syrup, powdered sugar and vanilla. See recipe.
Take our lead.
A version without marshmallows would be those that bind Rice Krispies, or Corn Flakes, with chocolate. See for example BBC Good Foods, using Corn Flakes, or a site for kids. The base procedure is to melt chocolate, optionally thin it a bit with butter and/or syrup and fold in your cereals.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.